Good evening. This is day 10, evening meditation on our Hildegard von Bingen program. And as per usual, just close your eyes whenever you're ready. And just turn your attention inward and upward. Allow your breath to guide you. With every breath, we let go, we release everything that doesn't serve us. On the out breath, we release them and let them go. And on the in breath, we allow our attention to turn inward and upward. We simply allow ourselves to find a place of neutrality. We distance ourselves from our emotions, thoughts, the day, the noises, our physical sensations. We blow them away. And on the in-breath, we look for connection with the divine presence, with the loving, with God, with our higher nature, as we imagine a bright golden and white light pouring down on us, surrounding us, embracing us from the highest point, from the source of all things, beings, the heart of God. We open ourselves to the wonderful words of Hildegard. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark. Make friends with the silence of the night. Let the darkness of the room become the darkness at the beginning of creation. There, in a corner, is a first trace of light. It expands, spreading wide and high, slowly. And in it, we begin to see ourselves emerging from the darkness. We are not the light. Our light is reflected light. Now we welcome the light in which we sit and stand and walk and grow. Welcome God's light. We allow these wonderful words to sink in as we know ourselves as light, God's light. We know ourselves as a spark that belongs to the greatest, the highest, the all-consuming, ever-present, loving divine. We know that we are part of that which has always been and will always be, that loves and cares for every being and beyond, including you and me. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gift, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. Thank you so much for contemplating and praying with me tonight. Have a lovely evening. Baruch Bashem.